Hi guys, good morning. Today is August 8, Monday, and it's already 8:30 in the morning. Meron tayong kasabihan, do what makes time your soul happy. And today, my daughter Ada, look at here, oh, look at here. Say hi. Say hi, sige na. Today is, si Ada is masaya siya. Tapos 2 years old na si Ada. Tapos, eto nag-play siya ng chess. Bibi, look at here, look at Papa. Ang ganda mo dito, nak, di ba? Love ka ni Papa yung maliit ka pa, dyan, di ba? Dami mong toys. Yung ibang toys mo, nak, nasa sa kabilang bahay. Kanila lola. Kanila mama chik ni mo. Madami ka mang toys. Tapos nag-play ka ng chess nito. Alam mo na paano ito, mga pieces of chess. Alam mo na kung anong tawag sa kanila. Tapos dinala ka ni Papa dito sa bahay. Kaya wala may laing magbantay sa imuha. That's why si Papa Ren lang sa ang nagbantay sa imuha. Ingani kakalab ni Papa itong bata pa ka. Look at here, Tapos karon dako na ka, magsukol na kasi mong Papa. Twink. Tapos tanaw taog larva. Ito sa bahay, nag-watch tayo ng larva. Nagaya-gaya ka, nako. This is a part of your memories. Kaya be a good girl always, because I want you to have a good future in your life. I love you so much. You're God-fearing, you're important, you're beautiful, you're very intelligent, you're kind, you're very talented, and you're my future singer. You're a musician, and also you're a chess player. Even though you don't become a grandmaster, but still I believe in you, because those talent is only a bridge for your lang, nak. Iwasan lang natin yung mga vices in life, okay? Love you so much and good morning. Love you.